Hi guys and welcome back. Today we're doing a Daruma Doodle and they are a symbol of perseverance and good luck. So if you want to encourage somebody before an exam, you could give them one of these. Typically the eyes are left blank whenever they get the doll, and they'll fill in one eye when they set a goal, and they will fill in the other eye when they've completed the goal. Depending on what kind of goal you're setting, you can have different colors for your Daruma. I'm making mine red today, and then my smaller doodles are also symbols of good luck, like the red envelope and long noodles.